You won't believe how these powerful machines work. This is the external hydraulic system of a cookie mold forming machine. Through precise coordination, it processes unshaped metal sheets into various shapes and patterns, which are then used to cut different cookie shapes. This is the working process of a large blow molding machine. Before blow molding, the extruded preform is stretched to the required length and width, then the mold closes. At this moment, a large cutter at the top cuts off the connection between the preform and the outlet. After the blow molding and pressure holding process is completed, the finished product is pushed out for cooling. Of course, different molds can produce different products. When installing large wind turbines, long rectangular spoiler strips are wrapped around them. Their purpose is to slow down the airflow around the tower during lifting, ensuring the safe installation of the blades. Otherwise, it could pose serious safety risks. This is an old-fashioned hand-cranked knitting machine. As the worker continuously turns the handle, hooked needles weave each thread into the desired shape. A drain pipe that has been clogged for 10 years can become completely clear using a high-pressure water jet. If heavy objects block the pipe during the cleaning process, a high-pressure jet cleaner with a black metal head is used. It can easily use water pressure to push objects several times heavier than itself out of the pipe. This is a special machine head designed for digging tree roots. With the close coordination of hydraulic devices on both sides, it can easily clamp and remove large tree roots buried underground. Compared with a standard tree excavator, this machine's hydraulic system is more advanced, allowing it to uproot trees for transplantation without damaging them. A bamboo polishing machine uses high-speed rotating wheels to transport bamboo pieces while smoothing the rough surface texture. This is a bucket wheel excavator. The buckets at the bottom continuously scoop up soil, and when they rotate to the top, the soil is dumped onto a conveyor belt. A machine like this can excavate more than 2,000 cubic meters of earth in a single day. This is what happens when a stone crusher starts operating. You can see that more than a dozen V-belts are used just to drive the gears. After stones enter the machine and are continuously crushed, they are broken into small pieces of only a few centimeters in diameter.